Hello everyone, welcome to another video when we learn English with Rachel and Brad Pitt from France. And without taking a long time, let's get started.
Oh, Ross! Hey, you came! Man, you look incredible! Hot stuff!
When something is incredible, it is so good to the point that it is hard to believe.
Hot stuff?
It's good to see you, man.
Yeah, you too. Man, so what are you up to?
This is a casual way to ask what are you doing between friends, or ask someone what he's doing right now.
I'm a commodities broker.
Commodities broker is a person who sell and buy goods like oil, coffee, or gold for clients.
Really?
Yeah.
That sounds interesting.
Yeah, it's not. But I'm rich and thin.
Oh. Man, I don't think I've seen you since Lance Davis's graduation party.
That was such a fun night.
Yeah, it would have been good if we had gotten in, but still, real fun.
Yeah. God, we were lame back then. Do you remember how into dinosaurs we were?
If you are into something, it means you are really like it or enjoy it. So as we seen here, Ross tried to remind Brad how they were into dinosaurs.
Yeah.
So what do you do now?
So how long are you in town?
This is a friendly way to ask about the length of someone's visit, or asking how many days someone will stay with you, or in your city.
Hi. Hey, sweetie. Oh, good. Here you go.
Rachel Green.
Oh, that's right. Are you gonna be okay?
Oh, I'll be fine. It's just, God, I hate her, Ross. I hate her.
Will, high school was a long time ago.
Look at her standing there with those yams.
Yams is a type of a sweet potato. It's like the thing that Rachel holding it right now between her hands.
My two greatest enemies, Ross. Rachel Green and complex carbohydrates.
Oh, my God, Monica, who is that? That's Will from high school. Oh, I do not remember him. Wow, really got that sexy smoldering thing going on.
Smoldering, it can describe a deep, attractive, serious look. And moving far from the context here, it also means burning slowly.
Oh, my God, look at the way he's just staring at me.
To stare means to keep looking without blinking too much.
I think he's trying to mouth something to me, but
To mouth something means to form sentences with your lips without making a sound.
I can't make it out.
This phrase means that she cannot understand or hear what he's trying to say.
Okay, dinner's ready.
Okay.
Yeah.
Solid effort. Solid effort.
Oh, so who won?
Green Bay.
Detroit.
Well, the Lions technically won, but it was a moral victory for the Green Bay Mermen.
Hi, Will, right?
Right.
Right. Hi, I'm Rachel Green.
Oh, I remember you.
Really? Aren't you sweet? I gotta tell you though, I'm having the hardest time placing you. Oh, hang on. I think I remember you. Did we fool around at Lance Davis's graduation party?
Fool around can mean joking or not being serious, and it can also mean physical romantic behavior like kissing.
You are unbelievable.
Thank you.
Rachel, why don't you sit here, and Will, you sit way over there.
That's it? Even if nobody helps me, I can eat that, no problem. At least give me a challenge.
This is Chandler's chicken. This is the turkey.
How big is that?
It's about 19 pounds.
It's like me when I was born.
All right, who would like some yams? Will?
Oh, you'd like that, wouldn't you?
What? Oh, you know what? Can we please keep the chicken and the turkey and everything on the other side of the table? The smell is just ugh.
Typical.
I'm sorry, what?
I said it was typical. Typical of you. Rachel Green, Queen Rachel, does whatever she wants in the little Rachel land.
Seriously, who is this guy?
I'm sorry. Do you have a problem with me?
I don't know. Do I? Do I?
I think you do.
Apparently you were a little mean to him in high school.
A little mean. You made my life miserable.
So what he meant here by saying that Rachel made his life miserable is Rachel made his life sad and unhappy.
I had no idea. I'm sorry.
Well, you should be. Screw it. Bring on the yams.
Screw it is an informal way to say I don't care or forget it.
Well, but you've worked so hard.
Yams!
Okay.
Will, I just want to say that I'm real sorry for whatever I did to you in high school.
Oh, it wasn't just me. We had a club.
You had a club?
That's right. The I Hate Rachel Green Club.
Oh, my God. So what, you all just joined together to hate me? Who else was in this club?
Me and Ross.
No need to point. She knows who Ross is.
If you stick to the end of the video, I want to thank you first for staying to the end of it. And if you like this type of videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow for more video like this. And share your thought in the comments of the video, and peace out.